Are you looking for the best e-learning videos? Save your time and save your money. And make your institution and content grow with our help. 24/7 customer support. Unlimited revisions until your satisfaction. Always on time and the fastest delivery with 100% quality. Why we? Let's see. We have a technical team to solve your problems. A team of highly professional animators, voice artists, and script writers. We will have you to become a team leader. We offer first-class training and guarantee excellent results. Animated online trainings will amaze your audience. We provide 1080 HD quality, 2D animation video and whiteboard animation, voiceover, script writing services. Contact us today exclusively on Fiverr.